What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A8 2K18, and this smartphone is just been recently released in my area. And you can see this is the box of this device and it is in black color, and I am highly excited to unbox this phone because I was anxiously waiting for this phone. And you can see it is the infinity display and dual front camera, and it is IP68. That is very interesting to note, and it is 4GB of RAM with Snapdragon 7885, and it is 64-bit octa-core processor, 4G LTE model, and 16 megapixels rear camera, and front-facing camera is 16 megapixels with 8 megapixels front dual camera. So let's just unbox this smartphone, and you can see right away we have some papers which show the IMEI numbers, and next up we have this box which usually comes with every device. And let's open this box and let's see what we have inside this. And you can see on the very front we have the SIM ejector tool, and next up we have the starting guide, and importantly we have a cover here too. That's very interesting that Samsung has given the cover. And let's put the guide at a side, and you can see this is a silicone case which is very beautifully built, and this is the smartphone guys, infinity display and great smartphone. Let's put it at a side. And next up we have these charging cable. I think it is the USB type C, and you can see this is the USB type C, and it is USB type C 2.0, the reversible connector. And next up we have these hand frees which are just latest hand frees, and next up we have the USB type C to micro USB connector. And let's see what we have in the charger department. And you can see this is the fast charger, adaptive fast charging. What's up guys, welcome back. And you can see this is 2 ampere charger, and let's put all other things at a side for a while, and let me just bring the smartphone into the camera. And you can see this is the Samsung Galaxy A8 infinity display, dual front cameras, water and dust resistant. And let us remove this wrapper from the front, and let us also remove it from the back of the phone. So guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy A8, and you can see this is one beautiful device with 18:9 aspect ratio and everything latest. And let's just turn this device on, and you can see on the back we have the camera, and the fingerprint scanner is now on a very good place. And on the right side we have the power button, and on the top we have these microphone and antenna bands, and we have the SIM and micro USB card slot on the top. And on the left we have these volume rockers, and we also have one slot on this side too. And on the bottom we have this USB type C connector and 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and a microphone. So on the front again we have these dual cameras to take the portrait from the front. And let's just now set up this phone, and let's just move next and agree to the terms and the conditions. And it will just take a few seconds, and let's move next and next. And let me just set up this fingerprint scanner, because I am very excited to set this fingerprint scanner, as Samsung has changed the orientation of their fingerprint scanner. Lastly in Samsung Galaxy S8 and the Note 8, it was so awkwardly placed that it leaves all the times when I was using that fingerprint scanner, it left smudges on the camera. So now it's been moved downwards, so it is great to see. And you can see it is actually very fast fingerprint scanner, and things are going great. So let me just set this up completely. We are just about to complete the fingerprint scanner recognition, and here we go. We have set up a fingerprint scanner, and let's now continue. And you can see we have started the device and agreed to the terms of the Google, and we are in progress. And let's start the device and skip these things for a while. So guys, you can see this is the Samsung Galaxy A8 2K18, and it has come with Samsung User Experience 8.5, and you can see this is the brightness controller of this device, and it has the auto brightness feature, and there are many features. And I will be making videos, on the tips and tricks of this device too, to let you guys know all the features which are hidden into this device. So I highly recommend you to stay tuned on the channel, see what we have inside this device. And let's first go into the RAM device management, and you can see it is having 64GB storage model, and 11.7 is used by the device itself. And in the RAM management we have 4GB of RAM, out of which 1.9 is already used by the device. Now let's move to the about phone and check out the software status of the device. It is running on 7.1.1 Nougat, and maybe in the future it will be updated to Oreo as it should. Here we have the user experience 8.5, which I already have mentioned. So this is the device, guys, and actually this feels so beautiful, and it is 18:9 aspect ratio. Although this device is a little thicker, but overall this device looks handy and it's very premium. It is similar to the Samsung Galaxy S8. I am not seeing any difference. So that's it, guys. This was the all unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A8 2K18, and I will be making many videos, speed test, gaming reviews and camera reviews of this device. So I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And you can see this cell phone also has this Bixby feature. So that's it, guys. This was the unboxing of A8 2K18, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.